Welcome to BuySpares. In this video, we will show you how to identify error codes on Hoover washing machines. Important: before replacing a part in any electrical appliance, you must ensure that the appliance is first unplugged from the mains. Most Hoover washing machines will indicate an error code if the machine has recognised a problem. This is usually displayed by a blinking light on the front panel or a letter and two numbers. If you have a flashing light, watch carefully as you will notice the blinking pause and then start to flash again. Count the number of flashes. This will give an error number that should help identify the area of the problem. Error codes are a guide to help you look in the correct area to identify what is going wrong but can mislead. Here are the typical error codes used in most Hoover machines. E01 or E07 indicates a problem in the door lock area. This could be the door lock, wiring, or PCB. E02 indicates a problem with the fill and can be caused by a pinched supply hose or the water turned off. E03 indicates a problem in the drain circuit, usually caused by debris in the pump. E04 error indicates a problem with the anti-flood circuit. This is likely to be due to water in the base of the machine and may indicate you have a leak. E05 error indicates a problem with the NTC, the sensor for water temperature. Check the connections and replace if required. E06 error indicates a problem with the out of balance stroke EEPROM or board faulty. See our noisy spinning video for more information. E07 error indicates a problem with the door lock or the motor jammed, depending on model. E08 error indicates a problem with the motor tacho. This will usually result in the motor spinning to high speed and then stopping. E09 is a motor triac fault error and you may not have any main motor drive. E10 error suggests a motorized selector fault on old machines or drum sensor device if fitted. E11 error is open circuit dryer heater / sensor or module. Check the wires to the sensor at the top of the front of the drum. These commonly break from movement on the spin. E12 error suggests a PCB communication error or open circuit dryer heater / sensor or module. E13 error suggests a faulty PCB. E14 error suggests a PCB or heater / NTC fault. E15 error suggests the PCB is not programmed or its memory chip is corrupted. E16 error suggests a heater insulation problem. This can cause tripping of your fuse box or other random cycle errors. E17 error suggests a no tacho signal that can be due to the motor not turning. E18 error suggests a faulty PCB. Remember to use these errors as a guide to the area of the problem. For all the spares you need, visit www.buyspares.co.uk.